Hi guys, and welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals you can make in advance, put in your fridge and use whenever you want to. Today we are making slow cooker chicken noodle soup, okay? A really good one if you're just fed up of normal soup, you're wanting something with a bit more substance in it, and it's for the slow cooker, it's for the instant pot. You can cook it on your Aga, you can cook it in your cooker. Instructions will show you everything. So this is a new way of doing a video, and it's much like a reel, so I'm trying it out. Let me know what you think. When it starts, you'll be able to just see my hands putting everything into the bags as I go, and all the instructions will be on the screen. If you do want this recipe, you can get it at www.batchlady.com, and you can watch the reels over on Instagram on my reels. You can watch this on YouTube as a whole video again, so it's much the same as usual, but instead of seeing my face, you just see my hands. I hope you enjoy this new video. Let's go. Chicken noodle soup done slow way.